create that. One, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah. 6 box fans. All together. Now we just gotta actually, yeah, that big was a big fire. There's a bit duckies. We're gonna make this the middle one. Or actually, no, I need to freaking grab that box and end it. But you having that. Okay, this is the box I had. Ugh, okay. Now, let's try it real quick, just to see. Yeah, it definitely works. Oh my god. No. Okay, it's easy. Now, I do know I had some bazooka. Now that looks good. Okay, nice, man. It's time to place this right there. Okay, so right about here, my video crashed and it just stopped recording. See, I download these from my Quest, the gallery, to my phone. And the thing is, when I try to sometimes edit on CapCut, this just happens. It just freaking just crashes or something. It just doesn't want to show the rest of the video. So, yeah, basically, I'm just gonna tell you what I did after. After, I just placed 2 revolvers and I put it in the invention machine. Now, this is gonna be I don't really know, man, because I guess this is just gonna be the brand new update video or whatever I want to call it. So yeah, it just crashed. See you later, Skibidi Toilet.